Sacramento Bee reporter Ed Fletcher. I'm here in the chilly Yosemite Valley. There was a much bigger crowd before, starting to thin out as people observe two climbers trying to make a historic climb.
In the morning, they've got to climb 1,000 feet up the rope. Yeah, this is day 16 or 17 of this climb. I have to count to tell you. It's billed as the most difficult climb in the world. Rock climb, not difficult mountain climb, but rock climb. It has a lot of sections that are, for instance, other routes on El Cap have set maybe 2 or 3 sections of extremely difficult climbing. This has got like 15 or 20 sections. So nobody's ever climbed something that's continuously that difficult before. So this is the most difficult climb, not because it's dangerous. Some people say, oh, it's so dangerous. This is not a dangerous climb. There are many more dangerous climbs on El Cap than this one. This is very safe, actually, but it's extremely difficult, and that leads climbers to having their fingers worn out and the skin torn off, because a lot of times they're just climbing on their fingertips and the edges of their shoes.